everybody, my name is Grace and I'm going to take you around the restaurant. This is can you see? It's just there. There. Here's right there. Get closer. There. And here's some more. And there's a rainbow. And look at that. And look. There's a Nemo station. And you see Dory. So come on. There she is. Dory. Hey, Dory. Oh, there's some more stories. Look at this. There's a monkey there. There's a hippo. There's a bird. Thank you for watching and look at that. Hanging off the tree. Thank you for watching it because I have been invented this movie. And now all I have to do is say goodbye. Everybody say bye. Bye. Bye.
Hiya.
Say bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye, Mummy.
Bye bye, Mummy.
Now I'm just going to show you the fish. You said bye. Sorry about saying bye. I'm just going to show you about there's a sort of old fish. A story in old stories there. She's in there. Now she's going. The man wants to say of Nemo there. Where is he? Where do you think? Where is he? Oh, is he there? No. Where is he? Where? There. Oh no! Look at this orange turquoise fish. Look at his mouth. Oh, look at it. Look at his mouth. Oh, look at the volcano. Oh. And there's a volcano what we have. Volcano.
Happy birthday for Bono.
Now, there's storage. Can you find a self-in tank? Self-in tank? Read the story. Story? Looking at a coral reef. There's Nemo. Nemo's there. Not. There's my bubbles one person. And now all we have to do is say goodbye. And did you see the monkeys? Did you see? Oh, I forgot to show you the elephants. Here's a gorilla again. And here's the elephant. They're very nice. And look at that. And that's all of it. So I hope you had a lovely time watching this. But all I have to say is goodbye. I know that I keep saying goodbye. You can video me at 1112777 and I've done
0. 4 4 1878.
Okay. So what is it?
Who are you talking to?
The people who's watching it.
What you could do this the Rainforest.
I did also the
What are you
fishing.
doing? I think that's enough. Go turn it off.
And there's another. We all have to say goodbye. Say bye.
Bye.
Where's the UV?
Turn it off.
Bye. Bye everybody.